Now let's talk about how to add expressions that have radicals. Well, when you're adding or subtracting expressions that have radicals, you almost treat the radicals like denominators in a way, okay? So in this situation, I got 6 plus the square root of 12 plus negative 7 plus the square root of 75. So we want to add these two things together. First we're going to do is we're going to add this and this together. Well, 6 plus negative 7 is negative 1, okay? And now we're going to add this and this together. Well, we can't, because what's under the radical aren't the same, okay? It's almost like this is an x and this is a y. You can't do it. But maybe if you simplify it, they will have the same thing under the radical. Let's see. What is the square root of 12? Well, the square root of 12 is equal to, what is that? The square root of 12 is equal to the square root of 4 times 3, which is 2 square root of 3. Okay, so we got 2 square root of 3. So we got negative 1 plus 2 square root of 3. Let's figure out what the square root of 75 is. The square root of 75 is equal to, I don't know, that's equal to 3 times 25, right? And the square root of 25 is 5, so this is equal to 5 times the square root of 3. Okay, so we have plus 5 times the square root of 3. Now, since the numbers that are under the radicals are the same exact thing, now we can bring them together. It's okay now, but we got to make them the same thing first. So we got 1 plus, how many square roots of 3 do we have? We have 2 square roots of 3 here, 5 there. So we have 7 square root of 3 all together. And that's how you simplify this one. Remember, got to get the radicals to be the same. So let's just kind of do that same idea over here. Let's make these radicals the same. Well, hopefully they are the same. Maybe they're not. Maybe they're not, right? So here we got negative 5 minus, we're going to make this something, the square root of 18. We did this in the last problem. That's 9 times 2, which is 3 square root of 2. So we got minus 3 square root of 2. Now hopefully this one becomes the square root of 2 underneath there. So while we're subtracting 6 plus, let's figure out what this 50 is. We'll do that right down here. I got square root of 25 times 2. And that's 5 square root of 2. So it does turn out to be right. That's 5 square root of 2. Good. So we have square roots of 2 here. Remember how I deal with this negative. We're subtracting the whole thing. So I make it a positive. This is the opposite, and that's the opposite. So I got negative 6, and now it's negative 5 square root of 2. So let's combine like terms. I'll combine this negative 5 and that negative 6 together to get negative 11. And then I'm going to combine this negative 3 square root of 2 and that negative 5 square root of 2 to get negative 8 square root of 2. And there's your final solution right there. There you go. So that's how you add and subtract expressions that have radicals in them. Sorry, that's what I meant to say.